So the first question when thinking about data access in Azure Machine Learning is, how do I securely connect to my data that it's in Azure storage? And the answer to this is the data store. The data store is the abstraction of an Azure storage service, and it stores all the information that is required to connect to that particular storage service. It helps you to connect to the underlying storage by its name, so you don't need to use any of the information and secrets, like, for example, keys or passwords that are usually needed to connect to data stores in standard processes. Another essential feature of the data stores is the compute location independence. And that actually means that they provide an access mechanism that is independent of the compute resource that is used to drive a particular machine learning process, which means they can be shared, and that also means that they can be accessed simultaneously by different instances of these processes. Now, with data stores, the next important question is, okay, but how do I just get specific data files into these data stores? And the answer to that is the dataset. Datasets are representing a resource for exploring, for transforming, and for managing data in Azure Machine Learning. As we have mentioned several times in this course, the process of properly preparing data in machine learning is probably one of the most important ones. And these types of abstractions, like the data source and the data sets, are essential tools that you can use to achieve these goals. Data sets are created from local files, from public URLs, from Azure Open Datasets, for examples, or even out of specific files that you just want to upload into a data store. Also, if you are working with other environments and programming languages, like, for example, with Python, and you are using Pandas datasets, you just need to persist the content of a Pandas dataset into the data store, and then you get a dataset. So basically, datasets are references that point to the data in your storage service.